Good evening, New Jersey. Woo. Look at that. Fire in the sky. This is an update on Nasty's Boards and Bass Report. Coming to you from Seaside Pond. We have a beautiful night. Sun is setting after a blizzard 2022. Waves have dropped dramatically with that west wind, northwest wind blowing on it. High tide just passed. That is a fire in the sky there. It is frigid. I would say the wind chill's around 0 right now. Air temp's about 20 degrees with a wind chill of close to 0. Still some lines coming in. Might be some waves tomorrow. I'll keep you updated. Keep your vibrations high and your stoke even higher. Peace out.